Classic and timeless, and perfectly located in sought-after Sharon Heights. This home is ready to move right in or offers an opportunity for further remodeling. Newly painted interiors and carpet combine with an updated kitchen and bathrooms for a bright and light setting ready for any personal style of furnishings. The spacious one-level floor plan has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, plus a large family room and a private rear yard with eco-friendly synthetic lawn and western hill views. And with the home's access to acclaimed Las Lomitas schools, this is the perfect place to call home, close to Stanford University and Silicon Valley Tech Centers.